She's so corny. High five.
High five.
High five.
High five.
What is that you say?
Not smack.
Aw, give me the goldfish face. Maybe I will.
Yeah, do the goldfish face.
Aw, would you like me to push you, little girl? Moy, look at me.
Gremlin.
Moy, look at
Hi,
me.
Gremlin.
Moy, look up here. Would you like me to push you? Would you like me to push you super duper high?
I would.
If you don't answer, then I'll walk away. Ew, I be so stink.
Stanky fish.
See, I got you on camera, so now I can tell everybody how stink you are. Alright, I'm gonna push you.
I'm trying.
Nothing but soul. Give me the soul. Whoa. What's up, Charles?
Peace out, my dog.
How you going?
300 feet.
Yeah, I don't think so. Give a shout out to somebody. Give a shout out.
I give a shout out to my fam.
Ain't nobody. Ain't the camera is not. Who was that? A shout out to who?
Booyah.
What is that? What'd you just do?
Shout out to mama.
Shout out to who?
Mama.
To my mama?
No, shout out to mama. That's a shout out.
Give a shout out to somebody before I cut it off.
I want to give a...
You're supposed to say I'm giving a shout out to.
I am going to give a shout out to
I
my
ain't go.
auntie and my mom.
Oh, that's what it is.
And of course the boob that tickled me.
The boob that tickled.
Do I look like a giant boob to you? Yes. Do you know what those look like?
Alright, who you giving a shout out
I
to?
got a shout out to my family and my friends and keep it on and popping, dogs.
Like your lip gloss?
Yep. And that. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? I said my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is popping. Oh, the way he stop it.
What? Smack! Alright, so before I push the little one, you gotta give a shout out to somebody.
Goldfish. I ain't shout out to my aunt.
To who?
To my aunt.
Who's
your
who?
aunt?
Which aunt?
Erica. Gary? That's Erica, you little
Gary?
face.
That's
I'm giving a shout out to this
I thought they
booger.
were cool aunts,
And
not
I'm giving a shout out to this booger that's really tall and that bothers everybody in school. That's Moy. Auntie.
Oh,
Her name is Moy?
Moy.